This just came to my address. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm right here. Yeah, right. So this is an RC car. Not this, but this. Yeah. So what I got here is a Dominator Monster. So, yeah, I've unboxed it like 2 minutes ago. So yeah. So this is it. This is the Dominator Monster. I'll have the batteries. I am charging it right now because it was dead. Yeah. So why not? So this is the Dominator Monster. This is the I don't know if you can call it, but I don't know. And this is the second battery, which I thought about it. So let's talk about it. This Dominator Monster can go up to 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, and it has really big suspension. It's rear wheel drive, you can't see it, but it's rear wheel drive. So yeah, it has lights. And let's just take the body out. Come on. All right. So in this you can't see the motor, but you can see like quite a bit of the motor. Yeah, so suspension and suspension. Oh yeah, no. All right, so in here we get, there goes the battery, like this. Yeah, and I'm not gonna put the battery in because it's a hard time putting not putting it in, but take it out, the battery. So yeah, that's the battery and the battery cover. We have the antenna, yeah, the little tiny antenna, and there is the motor. I don't know if you can see it, but whatever. Okay, so let's put the body in. Oh, sorry. Alright, this is the hardest part. Like, son of a stinky. No. Come on. Finally. I know this is supposed to be like a Lego content, but I guess this is cool, I guess. So I really wanted to do this because I love RC cars. I have a RC drift car, which you can see right there. Yeah. It's the Vapor Slide Toyota AE86. So okay, and let's take it out for a whip. So here we are on location. We have like an off-road, like, yeah, we have the car right here. So we're gonna test it and see what it can do and can do. So like put you like right here, or I don't know, like I don't have the stand like the Kevin Talbot has. So I don't know how to record and drive at the same time, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, so okay. So I'm gonna try. So okay. So we have the car right here, so it can't drive up this freaking like it's really hard to drive and record at the same time and drive with only one hand. So I'm gonna try my best. Sorry guys. You know what? Wait. You know what? I'm gonna put it like right here. Yeah. Let's try that hill. Yeah, I can do pretty well. Let's increase the speed. Yes, you can increase the speed. Oh, it's pretty good. It's handling pretty well. Sorry for the voice crack. Let's try jumping off this. Oh yeah, that was pretty easy. So, so I'm gonna see you at next location. So here we are on the next location, and we have the car with my GoPro. Oh yeah, baby! And we're gonna test the car and see the footage afterwards. Okay? So I'm gonna do this. Wait. So I'm gonna do this. It's recording. Nice. You got the car and oh yeah. So thank you everybody so much for watching, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.